So this is the simple, easy to make, compact and efficient biogas plant based on the principle of anaerobic digestion. So this is the waste inlet, gas outlet and the slurry outlet. The slurry is collected into this bucket. The inlet and outlets are sealed, which makes the whole system airtight. So the biggest advantage of this biogas plant is that there is no smell and no mosquitoes. Normal household kitchen waste can be added into the system. Such sugary and starchy materials are ideal for bacteria to decompose and produce methane. It is better to chop the food into smaller pieces to aid faster fermentation. The cut pieces are added into the waste inlet of the biogas plant, followed by liquid waste. The methane gas generated after fermentation is transported through these tubes and collected in a reservoir. The reservoir in this case are 2 old bus tire tubes. A heavy weight is placed on top of these tubes to increase pressure. The slurry generated in this biogas plant is colorless and odorless. It is an excellent fertilizer that can be used diluted on smaller plants and vegetables or undiluted on bigger plants. Now it's time to cook. Turn the gas valve on, burner on, ignite!